Hello, welcome back to my channel, and you are on my very new series, the Boss Tasting Experience.
The first bar that I want to introduce to you guys is the Rodeo bar located in Rodeo 39 Public Market. I went to this bar with my friend and we ordered 2 cocktails. The first one in my friend's cocktail is a very familiar classic cocktail. Let's make a guess and we will find out which one it is at the end. First, the bartender put 60 ml tequila as a base liquor, 30 ml of control, 20 ml of lime juice, and 15 ml of simple syrup into a shaker. After that, he creamed a glass with kosher salt. Next, he put ice into a shaker and shake all the ingredients in 20 seconds. Then he pours into a glass with a strainer. Finally, he decorates the drink with a lemon wedge. Until now, I think you already know which cocktail is that. Yes, it's a margaritas. Classic cocktail that you can find in all the bars around the world. For the second drinks, I request the bartender to choose one of his favorites. This is how he make the drink for me. I don't really know the recipe, therefore I just make a guess, and hopefully it's right. If you think that I'm wrong, please comment below and let me know. First, we use 30 ml of Mr. Black coffee liquor. Then adding 30 ml of cognac VSOP. $10 ml of espresso. For dash bitter. And ice into a mixing glass. Stirring very well. And then pouring it to a glass by using a strainer. The drink is decorated with a cherry. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you like the video, then hit the like button below and subscribe my channel. And see you in my next video.